welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS Deals video. This is the first week of this ad cycle and we have some good deals going on and we received some good mystery offers. $5 off for CoverGirl Cosmetics, $3 off for Maybelline Cosmetics, and the last one is $3 off for Revlon Cosmetics. Just make sure you're scanning your items in the store, that way you know what coupons and CRTs attached. The first deal I have is on Crest Toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrush. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy two, you get $5 back. Pick up the 2.4 ounce toothpaste on sale for $3.99 and pick up one Oral-B charcoal toothbrush on sale for $3.99. These two will total $7.98. We have a $2 off for the toothpaste and we also have a $2 off for the toothbrush. These two coupons will take off $4 and drop it down to $3.98. And you get $5 back, making both free and $1.02 moneymaker. The next deal I have is buy one get $2 extra care box bag on Scope mouthwash, and the 1 liters are part of this deal. Pick up one, they're on sale for $5.49. We received a dollar digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.49 and you get $2 back, making it just $2.49. The last oral care deal I have in this video will be Tons of Mint toothpaste. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up two of the toothpaste. It's priced at $7.89. The second one will be $4, and the two will total $11.89. We received a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.89 and you get 2 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each, and it's a limit of 5 so you can redeem 2 times, and that will make these two just $1.89 or 95 cents each. The next deal I have is on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each. These two will total $11.58. We received a $5 instant CRT. And on today's savings set, use 2 of the CoverGirl eye makeup coupons. The CRT and the 2 coupons will drop it down to 58 cents and you get $6 back, making both free and $5.42 moneymaker. The next deal I have is spend $15 get $5 back on any Maybelline Cosmetics, limit of 1. Pick up the Instant Age Rewind Concealer priced at $11.29. To complete this deal, pick up a baby lips priced at $4.99. These two will total $16.28. Today we received a $3 instant CRT for Maybelline Cosmetics, and I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. The 2 CRTs will drop it down to $10.28 and you get 5 back. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $2.50 on the concealer, limit of 1. After the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $2.78 or $1.39 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $3 back on Dove Body Wash, 20 ounces to 22 ounces. Pick up 2. They're on sale for $6.99 each, and both will total $13.98. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.99 and you get $3 back, making both just $5.99 or $3 each. This next deal coming up, I will show 2 ways to do it, and that includes Irish Spring and soft soap. They are not on sale, but when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 of the soft soap. It's priced at $6.59 each, and the 2 will total $13.18. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupons we received today that will drop it down to $9.18 and you get $4 back. That will make these two just $5.18 or $2.59 each. Second option is to pick up 2 Irish Spring priced at $7.49 each. The 2 will total $14.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon we received that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get $4 back, making both just $6.98 or $3.49 each. This next deal I have, we don't have any coupons for it, but it's on Nia Body Wash. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $7 extra care box. Pick up 2 of the men's body wash priced at $6.29 each. The 2 will total $12.58. Pay that and get $7 back, making both just $5.58 or $2.79 each. First hair care deal I have in this video is on OGX Hair Care. They're on sale for $6.99 and they are part of the buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. These two will total $13.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.98 and you get $4 back, making both just $3.98 or $1.99 each. Next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back on any Dove hair care, limit of 1. Pick up 4, you can mix or match, it don't matter, and the 4 will total $20.76. We received a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and I have 3 off 15 Dove hair care CRT that will drop it down to $12.76 and you get 10 back, making all 4 just $2.76 or 69 cents each. Regular Head and Shoulder is on sale for $5.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, and the 2 will total $11.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.98 and you get 2 back, making both just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is on LOreal VI shampoo or conditioners. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 7 and you get 3 back, making both just $4 or $2 each. Next deal I have is on Garnier Whole Blends or Fruity shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. The thing with this deal is we only received a 3 off 2 for the Fruities. We did not receive any 3 off 2 for the whole blend. And that means the Garnier Fruities will be the cheaper deal. Pick up 2 at 2 for $8. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5 and you get $4 back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. The last hair care deal I have will be on Clairol hair color. They're on sale for $8.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2. The 2 will total $17.98. Today we received 2 digital coupons. One is a BOGO coupon that will take off $8.99, and the second one is a 5 off 2 digital coupon. These two are attaching to these 2 boxes, and they will double dip and take off $13.99, dropping it down to $3.99, and you get $4 back, making both free. For the spend 25 get $8 back, I have 2 options for you, but remember this is a limit of 1, so you can only pick one. For the first option, pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99, and the second item you need to pick up will be the Gain detergent on sale for $12.99. These 2 will total $25.98. We only have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide detergent, and using that, it will drop it down to $22.98 and you get 8 back, making both just $14.98 or $7.49 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 pack of Pampers Easy Up on sale for $10.99, and the next 2 items you will pick up will be the Febreze spray on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. It's priced at $4.99, and the second one will be $2.50. Last item for this deal will be the Bounce Dryer Sheet, 120 count, on sale for $6.99. These 4 items will total $25.47, and the coupons we will use for this deal will be a $1 off Bounce digital coupon and a $3.30 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. The last coupon will be a $2 off for the Pampers. These 3 coupons will drop it down to $19.17 and you get 8 back, making both just $11.17 or $2.79 each. If you don't like the Bounce Dryer Sheets, you can replace it with the Downy Fabric Softener on sale for $6.99. The only difference is that we don't have any coupon for the fabric softener, so you have to pay $1 more. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 5 back, limit of 1. Pick up the 12 roll Scott Bar tissue on sale for $10.49 and pick up the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls on sale for $10.79. These 2 will total $21.28. We received a $1 off Scott digital coupon that will drop it down to $20.28 and you get 5 back. Then check your Ibotta, because mine there is a $2 back on the Scott, and after the rebate and the extra care box, these 2 will end up costing just $13.28 or $6.64 each. Another option for the spend 20 get 5 back is to pick up 2 Scott Bar tissue on sale for $10.49. These 2 will total $20.98. Use the $1 digital coupon that will drop it down to $19.28 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. This is just a limit of 1, and that will end up making these 2 just $12.98 or $6.49 each. If you need cereal this week, the General Mills cereals are still on sale for $1.99. And if you did not use your coupons last week, pick up 2 boxes and that will total $3.98. Use the $1 off 2 digital coupon and that will drop it down to $1.98. You submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. That will end up making these two just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The last deal I have in this video will be on the Nature Valley granola bars. They're on sale for $1.99 each. Pick up 2 boxes, that will total $3.98. We have 2 digital coupons. One is $1 off 2 and one is 50 cents off 2. Both will double dip and take off $1.50. I checked Ibotta and we don't have any rebates for these 2 items. And don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch for extra points. And for the cereal, you can also submit your receipt to Fetch for extra points. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support. I appreciate it and talk to you next time.